Okay, today we're going to look at how to edit the off-canvas menu icon and the header pull right menu buttons. So this is really helpful for setting apart the button from the main menu. There are settings to have these menu items aligned to the right, but for me I prefer to have them aligned centrally so that it really makes the main call to action button stand out. So in order to edit this or to add items to this, you need to go into your firstly Salient options, which is here, Salient, and then go to your header navigation, layout and content related, and then choose which menu layout you'd like. So as you can see, you could have this one where the menu items are aligned next to the logo and then the call to action buttons are aligned to the right, and there's several other options. So this is the one I find works best. These other ones can work really well, especially for an e-commerce website where you might need to have my account links and cart links. If you want a center menu, you can do this one. So once you've chosen that, what you have to do is go to your menus in order to get this button showing here. So at the moment there you can see I've got several different menus. And what you'll have to do is click create a new menu. Once you create a new menu, you need to select this button, top navigation pull right. Once you've selected that, then you can add whatever links you want to this section. So you can add them from your list of pages here, if you have a contact page, or maybe you have a donate page. And you can also add a custom link. Let's say you want to link to a PayFast donation link. Then you just add the link here, the text that you want to use. And I'll add one just for now. Let's go donate. And for now, I'll just use a blank link. Add to menu. And then I can choose what type of menu styling or button styling that I want. So at the moment it's standard, but I'll go buttoned bordered, accent color. And then I'll save that. Okay, so now I will go to refresh my page and it should come up right next to this one. And there it is there. So again, just to change the settings of the styling, I'll change that to bordered button accent color. If you want, you can also make other adjustments to this button style. You just click on Salient menu item options. You can add an icon. You can change the settings. You can change the alignment, the padding as well. It gives you a few more options here, so let's try that. You can also change the coloring to a custom color if you want. And I'll add an icon next to text, and I'll add 15 pixels of spacing. Save menu. Refresh the page, and there's my button styling now. There's also something you can do where you can actually make it show the contact button to show on mobile, so it doesn't get automatically pulled into the hamburger menu. So if you go back to your settings here and go into your more menu item options, you can click on this button here, persist in mobile navigation header, instead of it pulling into the hamburger. As you can see here, now the contact us button is showing. It's in mobile, so it's always available there. On my website, I've got a contact us button that shows as you scroll down at the bottom, so I don't need it at the top here, always showing. Okay, now the next thing I want to show you is how to remove or add this off-canvas menu icon. So you just go into your Salient settings, header navigation, off-canvas menu, and then you just select if you want this on or off. I've got it selected, and then you go through the settings here to see how you want it to look and function. Thanks so much for watching.